Hello friends, today I hope to explain and I hope to give you a solution for the memory card is locked, side lock to right position. It means your memory card has some lock and write protection error. So camera unable to write anything on your SD card. You can see here error message showing again and again. You can take photos, you can read some files, it is okay, it is reading, but you are unable to capture new photos. You can see error message come again and again under the photo taking. You can see here. Don't worry, this is happened to some mistake, so I hope to give you solution for that. Okay, I hope to remove this SD card just like this. You can remove carefully it just like this. It is very simple process. Now you can check physical damages on SD card. You can see here nothing damages. You can see this is a good condition SD card, but you have side lock button. You can see here it is locked. You can see it is write protected. And I hope to give you unlock just like this. You can see it is now okay. You can lock and unlock it again just like this. You can see every SD card has this like lock button. You can see it now, it is unlocked. Now I hope to reinstall SD card again just like this. You have to wait several times, it is being read. You can see it is working. I hope to turn on the camera. You can see error message is not showing here. You can see every photo can be taken just like this. It is very simple process. You can see here. Now I hope to get new photograph by focusing camera lens. I hope to focus it just like this. Now you can see it is processed. You can see it is writing very well. You have to wait several seconds. You can see it is doing very well. Now I hope to take a video graph. You can see it is recording and it is writing to the SD card. You can see it is very simple process. Now you can see it is recorded. Now I hope to give you solution. I hope to replay it again, previously recorded video. You can see here it is working very well. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. We are cordially invite you to subscribe our YouTube channel to get new technical updates.